way, it's like, okay, and it's not like you're going to be, oh my God, here comes the full moon. It's like, okay, it's the full moon. So what else can I do now that I've got this timer or the reminder in my calendar, whether it's a paper calendar or some kind of on your one of your devices, Google Calendar or other calendar. Okay, so you gather your crystals. You can ground. You can really begin to let go or prepare to let go of what no longer serves you in preparation for the snow moon or whatever full moon it is you're working with. We happen to be going into the snow moon. We're already in it tomorrow. And we'd love for you to join us in the Sacred Crystal Alchemy Society, where we have a live full moon meditation every month. And it also includes a whole printout of how to get ready, what the crystals are for the month, in addition to all of the actual moon stones. Okay. And there's also, during the month, special bonuses, including a new crystal guide or a checklist to help you work with your crystal collection. So you prepare, and this full moon is all about your heart chakra, clearing it out. We're going to be working with forgiveness, which has a really bad rap. What it is, how to work with it so you're actually freeing yourself from negativity and continuing to exchange negative energy every time or when a specific experience or a hurt or a betrayal comes along and just kind of, floats up into the surface. So that's the tip. And in case you're just here, one more time, we're going to be sharing it. Set a reminder in your calendar 4 days prior to the full moon so it doesn't just whack you upside the head or just like, oh my gosh, I don't know what's happening. Then you check the paper calendar, whatever calendar for the moon. It's like, oh, I got it. Okay, it's full moon energies again. And they come. The new moon is much softer because it's new, it's a new beginning, it is just coming in. And the full moon is all about taking out all the junkolitis energy. And yesterday was February 22nd. And there is a short that you can hopefully find all about this particular or that particular portal and what the numbers mean. So, in addition to the full moon tomorrow, and this is the day before the full moon, this cycle happened on the 21st. And yesterday was our 222 energy portal. So, double, triple whammy energetically. If you have any questions, please put them down there in the comments and I will answer them. Be kind to yourself while you're going through this full moon. It's pretty potent. They all are. But when we have an energy portal that's like right before or in the middle of this cycle, 3 days before, the day of, or the night of, and then 3 days after, it just becomes more intensified with the energies of the full moon. Have an amazing day and be kind to yourself. Just take a breath and be okay feeling what you're feeling. And I took the day off yesterday, actually. I was getting all ready to do something, to do a new video, and it was like, no, the energies, my energies are not in alignment. And so I just stepped away for the day. You've got this, beautiful soul. You do. It may or may not seem like it enough or whatever is happening with you, but you do. Just breathe and let your shoulders down and just be okay. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye. Now let's see if I know how to end this.